I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas' neck.
As I was saying, as you see in this video, I changed my already illegal exhaust so I can shoot flames. So I'm going to retune my car to dumb more feel, obviously, into my exhaust and do some little extra stuff to spice it up. And that's pretty much it for like the flame spinning. Because once you do exhaust, you might get some crackling pops, but you will not be able to shoot flames. So I'm gonna go to my shop, Best Auto Works in Claremont. Pull up to them. Let them do their magic on my car, and yeah, we gonna get some. Hopefully, we can get some flames, man. I'm hoping. As you see, I got my McDonald's right there, steering wheel right here, and we are at Best Motor Works in Montclair, man, where they installed my cold air intake, and the owner has the new M3 competition. I'm not gonna lie, last time I don't think it was in a video, but it was on the rack in there when BMW just put this out, and they already have one, so it's actually nice. That green with the carbon fiber is super cool, man. But yeah, I can't wait, man. But if you do want flames, or if you want to get some sort of crack on pop or something in your car, here's how to do it. I'm gonna give you a step-by-step guide from first-hand experience of people I know, man. First step: less restriction of exhaust you have in your car, the much better. So if you have a turbo car, something like that, you need your catless downpipes and front pipe, and pretty much have no mufflers. Or if you have a muffler, get a less restricted muffler or resonator on your car. That's step one. Number two, most likely you would need a tune, a pretty aggressive tune to shoot flames. You don't really need a tune to do the crackle and pop, because most cars come with that now factory. So obviously you don't really need that anymore. For instance, like Josh, right? His AMG from factory shit crackles and pops. But when he got a tune and all that, then his crackle and pops became a lot more astronomical. It is super loud, super aggressive, sounds crazy, and he shoots flames as well because the tune and downpipes and free flowing exhaust. So that's a clear example right there. So today I am here. Mind you, I have a crook in my neck, and this hurts my neck so bad. I woke up, man, with this damn dog, the dog they got. Oh my god, my neck crook is on this side. So I've been looking up remedies. Apparently you need like heated pad for like 30 minutes or so on your neck, and I can't do that, man. But yeah, can't wait to, man. My goal is to get flames out of my car. I'm not gonna lie, this is my goal. I opened up at 9 in the morning. I told him I'll be here at 8:50, and obviously you can't see my phone, but it's 8:54 in the morning.
So we just have to tap a positive from the actual ignition coil under the head.
So I don't even need to use the thing that came with whatever. I think it came with like.
So it came with
some coil thing.
You have to have like a big coil pack, like you know, like the old school cars that has like a coil pack. Yeah, let me show you. Explain it, and then that.
Old cars had distributors. You know what a distributor is?
Yeah.
So that was one coil that would run all of that, right? So, and that's where it shoots the spark to the distributor, and then the distributor disperses it through every cylinder. But it just wants you to tap the positive, right? So instead of this, we're gonna do one of the 4 ignition coils up top, and then we just gotta run it back, and then
just to the switch.
Yeah, just to the switch.
Yeah,
easy.
This is the control module for the spark plug.
Yeah.
Oh, they make it seem like so like.
When you look at it, yeah, it's like, oh, where do I start?
Because I was looking, I was like, I don't think there's any way I'm doing this.
Yeah, I mean, it's just the drilling and getting on your back. That's just
because I thought you had to go and like weld the thing in the back with the exhaust.
Yeah, but we threaded your exhaust, so
that's better.
Okay,
yeah.
So you could take it off. It may
because I was like welding in case I want to change the dual exhaust or something, then I'll be fucked with the welding instead of like threading.
Yeah, I mean this one, you could just pop it off. You could drill it again, and we could always just add another.
So welding would be permanent this side. We can always unthread it. Okay, that's way better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take that. Yeah.
So at least you can do it to anything, and if you
Yeah.
do the exhaust, you can always thread it onto any of the tips or whatever.
Yeah. Cause I'm gonna get eventually a new diffuser because this has to go. That's horrible. Yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty excited though to see how it.
Shoot.
Yeah.
Got your TikTok fire.
Yeah.
Did you buy that kit because of TikTok? From that Mustang?
Which one? It was like 3 of the one with the grass.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I seen.
This is the kit for the Mustang.
Yeah,
It's
and
like,
then
what, 8 to like
it's like
2 feet.
2 feet.
yeah,
that's
because
crazy.
I have a homie that has like the same does run like the same thing, but he has a STI. Fuck, it's like man, it's worth the money. I rewrap it, cause delivery, new wheels. I'm going coilovers next week. I'm doing everything. Yeah, cause I think last time I brought it here, I think it wasn't white.
It was
Oh,
this
this-
color.
it was
It was orange,
Take
yeah.
on it.
Yeah, then
I think it was this color. I
it was
remember.
orange.
I remember the roof was
the car.
No, I think it was.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 Kias with a hustle with your Mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in. No, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, stepper, stepper. Only stepping for a check. Stepper, stepper, stepper. Gotta step on niggas' neck. BBS, my diamonds getting all these bitches wet. Yeah.
Maybe it's that ground.
No, it's working. It's turning on. He's getting spark. Should do a ghost on cold start too.
you think it's cause I changed my exhaust yesterday?
I don't know yet. You don't have any cats. Yeah, it should just do it.
So it's working.
Not here.
Yeah.
You can see a spark if you looked in there. There's no one burn fuel. There's no one.
Alright,
Definitely here.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Yeah. Every song's free to wear. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the head though.
All right, y'all. So, updates. Obviously, I'm trying to go clean out my fuel system, but I need to get gas first of all. But yeah, update. Damn, this shit. LA for $5 and change for gas for 91. But update on my flame spitting. 1 second. Update on my flame spitting. I was missing a part I needed, so I had to order the part. So fortunately, no flames yet, but I still have my flames to be accomplished. So I'm not tripping. But shout out to them again. Best Auto Works, cool people. I will be back there once the part gets in the mail. But in the meantime, let's look at how amazing this car look right now, man. So if you're new to my channel, this is my car. It's a orange 101 Honda Civic. It's full bolt on, everything, downpipes, the whole shindig. But I will be getting a livery put on very, very soon, so to make it even more 101. So yeah, gas. It's gonna be easy to fill up in the car, but it's a lot of money to fill this gas tank. So yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe. That is the click. I'm adding some more though. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. But my views have been growing. I've been getting a whole lot of subs. So yeah, shout out to y'all for that, man. But yeah, I'm finna get out of here. That's all I want to update y'all. So of course, you know, you gotta have the remote start. First of all, I left the radio on. Now we can do it. Let's get this exhaust.
the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Step a step a step.